This is how I meet Bad Poppy. Look at the comment. So yeah, she buy on Dandy when this is a dandy run. BT, you would all start at floor 9. She even make all tunes mad. She called me bro, though even I am a guru. She say when I go to toilet, her sis grab the phone. Like, girl, are you lie? You need to set AFK man. She even steal my Medin band. And steal Pebble air horn. I asked Connie to target her. You see, Connie said she gonna target who buy. And Poppy not died. What her deserve, leaving comment. When I said I recording, she don't leave a comment. Me be like, you scared, lil' bro?
Anyways, bye.